Hello everyone, welcome to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. Today we are going to see about core concepts of programming. Programs are set of instructions that you give to computer to perform certain tasks, just like you are cooking. If you want to cook a pancake, you need to have set of recipes, ingredients and lot more to cook. Let's now come to core concepts. Let's talk about variables. Variables are like ingredients in your recipe. You can use different ingredients to make your dish more interesting. For example, you can have a variable called sugar to control the sweetness of the dish, or a variable called time to control how much time it should cook. Next one is conditions. Conditions are like deciding when to use ingredients in your recipe. For example, if your recipe says only add sugar if you want more sweetness, then you can add it. Next thing is loops. Loops are like doing the same set of things again and again until some conditions are met. Next one is functions. Functions are like instant cup noodles that you can have whenever you want just by adding hot water to it. You need not to worry about cooking it again and again. Just like that in programming, if you want to perform certain tasks, you can write a function and call it whenever you want. Next one is debugging. Consider your remote is not working due to low battery. You change the battery and it works. Just like that, finding an error in your program and fixing it is debugging. Hope you all learned something new. If you want to learn more, check out our website hackerkid.org, and for more videos, subscribe our channel.